Hello friends, today we studied about basic concepts of TCS. TCS means Theoretical Computer Science. It is a division of General Computer Science and Mathematics. It focuses on more mathematical and abstract aspects of computing. It includes the theory of computation. In this chapter, we introduce mathematical terms necessary for understanding the automata theory. Now we see first basic concept, that is symbol. Symbol is an user defined or abstract entity. It cannot be formally defined like point in geometry. Examples of symbols are digits, letters. We can define many interesting things based on symbol. Using symbols, we can generate strings. Now we see second concept, that is alphabet. It is denoted by summation. It is a finite set of symbols. Here is an example of alphabet. D is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Means it is a finite set of digits. And R is equal to A, B, C, P, D and at the rate. Here set R is containing heterogeneous, means not the same type entities. Through it is an alphabet. The concept of alphabet is similar to well-known alphabet set A, B, C up to Z for the English language. Next concept is strings. A string over an alphabet is a finite ordered sequence of symbols from the alphabet. For example, A, B and C are symbols and A, B, C, B is a string. A string may have no symbols at all. Such strings is called as empty strings and it is denoted by epsilon. Now we see next concept, that is length. The length of a string is the number of symbols in the string, and if string is W, then the length is denoted by this sign, W is equal to 0. Length of null string is 0. Now we see next concept, that is prefix. A prefix is a string is any number of leading symbols of that string. Here is an example of prefix. Let we define x is equal to a, b, c. Now prefixes of x are epsilon, a, ab and abc. These are leading symbols of a string. And a, ab and epsilon are the proper prefixes of x. Now we see suffix. A suffix of a string is any number of trailing symbol. In this example, suffixes are epsilon, c, bc and abc. In this example, epsilon, c and bc are the proper suffixes of string abc. Next concept is concatenation. The concatenation of two strings is the string formed by writing the first followed by the second with no intervening space. Suppose W and X are two strings, then WX is a concatenation of that string. It is denoted as like WX is equal to W plus X. Now we see the concept of formal language. It is a set of strings of symbols from some one alphabet. The empty set phi and the set consisting of empty string, that is epsilon, are also languages. Set of all strings over a fixed alphabet, summation, is language denoted by summation star. For example, summation is equal to A, then summation star is equal to epsilon A, 2 times A, 3 times A, and infinite. From the above language, summation star, if we exclude epsilon, the empty word, the remaining set is language denoted by summation star, and the string carries A, double A, 3 times A, and infinite. Now we see another concepts of TCS, operation on languages. First operation is union. Union is denoted by L1 is equal to L is equal to L1 union L2. Union of languages L1 and L2 is a language L containing all strings of L1 and all strings of L2. Here is an example. Suppose we consider L1 is equal to AB and L2 is equal to CD. Then L is equal to L1 union L2 is equal to A, B, C and D. Here is another example is, if L1 is equal to A raised to M, B raised to M such that M is greater than or equal to 1, and L2 is equal to B raised to M such that M is greater than or equal to 0. Now we write language for L1, that is L1 is equal to A raised to M, B raised to M means both A and B are equal. So our language becomes AB, 2 times A, 2 times B, 3 times A, 3 times B and infinite. And L2 is B raised to M and M is greater than or equal to 0. So L2 is epsilon B, 2 times B, 3 times B, 4 times B and infinite. Then L is equal to L1 union L2. Now we union of these two languages, and this is becomes epsilon B, AB, 2 times B and infinite. Now second operation is intersection. Intersection of languages L1 and L2 is the language L containing common strings of L1 and L2, and it is denoted by L1 intersection L2. Here is an example for intersection. If L1 is equal to AB and L2 is equal to AC, then L is equal to L1 intersection L2 is equal to common string is A. Another example is, if L1 is equal to 2 times A, 2 times B, 2 times AB and L2 is equal to 2 times A, 2 times A, B. So intersection of L1 and L2 is 2 times A and 2 times A, 2 times A, B. Now we see next operation, that is concatenation. The concatenation of languages L1 and L2 is the language L containing all strings of L1 followed by all strings of L2 without space, and it is denoted by L is equal to L1 L2. Here is an example of concatenation. Suppose we define L1 is equal to A and L2 is equal to B, then concatenation of L1 L2 is equal to AB. Thank you.